Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this particular lecture, we'll try to understand blockchain basics. Since we are studying NFT, which are on the base or built on the foundation of blockchain, it is very crucial to understand what is blockchain. See, blockchain is a kind of innovative database technology that's at the heart of all the cryptocurrencies. So if I'll talk about blockchain at its core in a simple terms is a distributed ledger that stores any kind of data. Blockchain can record information about cryptocurrency transactions, NFT ownership, or other kind of decentralized apps or the financial apps or the D apps. While any conventional database can store this sort of information. But blockchain is unique in that it's totally decentralized. There is no central server which is being maintained in one location and some centralized administrator is maintaining it. Think of an Excel sheet or a bank database. Many identical copies of blockchain database are held on multiple computers across the network, and these individual computers are referred to as nodes. So let's try to understand how this works. The name blockchain is hardly accidental. The digital ledger we call it as is often referred to as a chain that made up of individual blocks. So you can see one block, two block, three block, right? So as the fresh data is periodically added to the network, a new block will be added and attached to this particular chain. This involves all nodes which will be there updating their version of the blockchain ledger. So in this way, new blocks are created is key to why blockchain is considered highly secure. And when a new block is added, all the blocks or the nodes they must verify and confirm the legitimacy of the new data before you can say a new block is added. So in short, if I'll talk about blockchain is a data structure which is a growing list of data blocks, and data blocks are linked together such that old blocks cannot be removed or altered, only it can be appended. Then number of people have confusion around the Bitcoin, right? So there is a difference. Bitcoin does not equal to blockchain. See, Bitcoin is a currency and a system that basically uses the blockchain as an underlying infrastructure which can be used for many things, and cryptocurrency is just one which is using this blockchain, and a currency has been created like Bitcoin. Similarly, blockchain infrastructure is being used to create the NFTs or the D apps. So try to understand it is the base infra kind of thing on the basis of which this one kind of cryptocurrency is there. So it is the application of the blockchain technology, and blockchain is the underlying infrastructure. So let's try to understand more about the Bitcoin ecosystem. See, a Bitcoin ecosystem contains a public network in which anyone, I would say, including the malicious participant, can participate without restriction. And this amazing breakthrough that came with the Bitcoin is that although when a malicious user, so let's say like this, can add, right, it can participate without restriction. So is that malicious participant can participate and the system works without a regulator, but the deletion or the modification is not possible. So try to understand that. And why this main technology is taking its space and and is widely accepted. See, the reason is the removal of the middleman. Blockchain technology makes middlemen or so-called trusted parties obsolete in many applications. So Bitcoin can serve as an example here. So Bitcoins are not routed, I would say, via a central instance, for example, a bank, but can be directly transferred between the parties. For example, let's say today, if you want to send money to one of your friend who is in Canada and you are in India, and if you want to send money, so in that case, some centralized system must be in place like PayPal or other bank. Only then you'll be able to send the payment. But with the help of uh, the introduction of Bitcoin, which is on the basis of blockchain, you can send directly the money. So there is no need of the middleman. And what are the key features here? So you can write only, they are basically immutable, and the transparent data storage is there, and it is decentralized, no need for intermediaries, and consistent across all parties. Let's say when a new block is added, so the consensus is required from all the parties, resistance against any kind of malicious deletion or the modification, and the other is open to everyone. So these are the main key features of the Bitcoin. So this is it, friends, in the lecture. And in the lecture, we discussed about what is blockchain, and blockchain is not Bitcoin. We discussed about the Bitcoin ecosystem and how there is no need of middleman and the different features. So this is it, friends, in this lecture. Thank you for watching.